Have you ever imagined how the clothing you wear is transformed from an ancient forest? Today, let's unveil the mystery of modal fabric together. Among various fabrics, you might have heard of modal, a popular fiber known for its softness and eco-friendliness. But do you know the difference between ordinary modal and Lenzing modal? Today, we are going to explore the secrets between the two. Ordinary modal fiber may come from any plant rich in cellulose, such as poplar or bamboo. They are chemically processed into the soft fibers. However, this process may not be as eco-friendly and the quality of the fibers can be inconsistent. On the other hand, Lenzing Modal is sourced from specifically managed sustainable European beech forests, ensuring every batch of fibers is consistently silky and uniform. Imagine you're looking for soft and moisture-absorbing sports shirts. Choosing ordinary modal fabrics, you may get a certain level of softness, but its moisture absorption and durability may not meet expectations. This is because the production process and raw material quality of ordinary modal are uneven, which can't guarantee the consistency and excellent performance of the final product. However, when you're choosing Lenzing Modal, the situation is entirely different. Lenzing Modal's advantage lies in its unique closed-loop production and process and strict environmental standards. This process not only uses wood pulp from sustainably managed European beech forests, ensuring high-quality raw materials, but also recycles and reuses almost all chemicals and water used in the production. Lenzing is committed to the sustainability of the entire value chain, with over 99% of the wood sourced from FSC or PEFC, certified or controlled sustainable forestry. Meanwhile, Lenzing's refinery factories optimize the use of wood materials, achieving self-sufficiency in production. This means that each batch of Lenzing Modal fibers is strictly controlled and guaranteed, ensuring the fabric softness and moisture absorption and durability. More importantly, this closed-loop process and strict environmental standards significantly reduce the environmental impact, making Lenzing Modal a greener, more sustainable choice. Moreover, every piece of clothing made from Lenzing Modal comes with a unique tag, ensuring what is recognized is not only high-quality fabric but also the most environmentally sustainable production process. Therefore, when you choose Lenzing Modal as the fabric for sports shirts, you not only get an exceptional wearing experience, soft and comfortable, vibrant and durable, but also contribute to protecting our beautiful earth. That's why we, a professional functional apparel manufacturer, choose to include Lenzing Modal in our fabric library. We offer a flexible minimum order quantity and 5-day rapid sample service and can recommend the right fabric blend based on your design and needs. If you're interested in our Lenzing Modal products or other services, please feel free to contact us via private message, WhatsApp, or email for inquiries. We promise to provide you with a high-quality, sustainable, and need-based custom clothing.